The Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon is redefining what it means to own a premium Ultrabook. With a sleek design, cutting-edge Snapdragon X Elite performance, and a stunning OLED display, this laptop has caught the attention of professionals, students, and creators alike. But does it truly deliver on its promises of power, portability, and innovation? Let's explore every feature in detail to find out if this device is your next daily driver. Right out of the box, the Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon impresses with its ultra-slim profile and lightweight construction. Weighing approximately 1.02 kilograms and measuring just around 1 centimeter in thickness, it's incredibly portable, making it ideal for professionals and students on the go. The magnesium alloy body, complemented by a titanium alloy keyboard, not only ensures durability but also offers a premium feel. The starry gray color variant, with its smooth velvet-like texture, adds a touch of elegance to the overall aesthetic. One of the standout design elements is the inspiration drawn from the vine leaf curves, evident in the laptop's sleek lines and contours. This design philosophy not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to a comfortable user experience. Opening the laptop reveals a stunning 14.6-inch 3.1K OLED full-view touch display. With a resolution of 3120 by 2080 pixels, the visuals are crisp and vibrant. The display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and fluid visuals, which is particularly beneficial for tasks like video editing and gaming. With a peak brightness of up to 700 nits and 100% DCI P3 color gamut coverage, the screen delivers accurate and vivid colors, making it a delight for content creators and media consumers alike. The ultra-slim bezels, measuring approximately 2.2 millimeters on the top left and right, contribute to an impressive 97% screen-to-body ratio. This design not only provides an immersive viewing experience but also keeps the laptop's footprint compact. In a bid to maximize screen real estate without compromising functionality, Honor has introduced a Detachable AI magnetic camera. This innovative feature allows users to attach the camera magnetically to the top of the display when needed and detach it when not in use. This design ensures enhanced privacy as you can physically remove the camera, eliminating concerns about unauthorized access. Additionally, the camera can be rotated 180 degrees, allowing for flexible usage scenarios, such as easily sharing your screen with others during meetings. Under the hood, the MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon is powered by the Snapdragon X Elite platform. This chipset boasts a 12-core CPU with a peak clock speed of up to 4 GHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. With 32 gigs of RAM and a terabyte of SSD, the laptop offers ample memory and storage for demanding applications and large files. The Snapdragon X Elite platform also integrates an AI engine capable of delivering up to 45 trillion operations per second, enabling advanced AI-powered features and applications. This ensures that the laptop is not only fast, but also intelligent, adapting to your usage patterns for an optimized experience. Being an ARM-based laptop, the MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon is optimized for applications designed for the ARM architecture. However, Honor has worked diligently to ensure seamless compatibility with traditional x86 applications. This means users can run a wide range of software without encountering performance issues or compatibility hurdles. The integration of OS Turbo 3.0 further enhances energy efficiency, utilizing machine learning to optimize system performance based on user habits. The collaboration between Honor and Qualcomm brings a suite of AI-powered features to the table. One notable feature is Co-Creator, which transforms simple doodles into detailed artworks based on textual descriptions, making it a valuable tool for artists and designers. Live captions provide real-time transcription and translation of audio content, breaking language barriers and enhancing accessibility. Windows Studio effects, such as eye contact, ensure that you maintain virtual eye contact during video calls, enhancing communication effectiveness. Honor's ecosystem offers seamless integration between the MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon and other Honor devices. With features like Magic Ring, users can effortlessly transfer files, mirror screens, and extend displays between their Honor smartphones, tablets, and laptops. This interconnected experience enhances productivity, allowing for a cohesive workflow across devices. Despite its slim profile, the laptop offers a comprehensive selection of ports. On the left side, you'll find two USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports supporting data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second. The right side houses a full-size USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port, a full-size HDMI 2.1 port, and a 3.5mm headphone microphone combo jack. This array of ports ensures compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and accessories. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 technology ensures faster and more stable wireless connections. The laptop's antenna design enhances signal strength by up to 50%, providing reliable connectivity even in environments with weak signals. The full-size backlit titanium keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with 1.5mm key travel. The keys are well-spaced, providing tactile feedback that's satisfying for both typing and gaming sessions. The fingerprint power button adds an extra layer of security, allowing for quick and secure logins. The expansive touchpad supports multi-touch gestures and features integrated multi-function gestures. For instance, a single knuckle double tap captures a screenshot, while a double knuckle double tap initiates screen recording. These intuitive gestures streamline workflow and enhance productivity. The MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon delivers an immersive audio experience with its 6-speaker setup, 2 tweeters, and 4 bass units. This configuration produces rich, deep bass and clear treble, making music, movies, and video calls sound vibrant and detailed. Built-in AI-powered noise cancellation ensures your voice stays crisp during online meetings, filtering out background noise for clearer communication. The speakers are finely tuned to deliver 3D surround sound, adding depth to your entertainment. Whether you're streaming a movie, attending a virtual class, or gaming with friends, the audio performance remains impressive. Additionally, the dual microphones capture your voice clearly, making video calls smooth and professional. Overall, the audio quality on the MagicBook Art 14 is a standout feature for media lovers. The MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon boasts a powerful 75W high-capacity battery, delivering up to 15 hours of usage on a single charge, perfect for long workdays, classes, or travel. When you're low on power, the 100W fast charging feature comes to the rescue, refueling the battery to 70% in just 45 minutes. This means less waiting and more productivity. Whether you're editing videos, streaming movies, or attending virtual meetings, the laptop also includes smart battery management features, optimizing power consumption to extend battery life during heavy use. Plus, with USB-C charging, you can power up on the go using a power bank. Overall, the MagicBook Art 14 excels in both endurance and convenience. The MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon prioritizes your security with advanced features. Its fingerprint power button offers fast, password-free logins while keeping your data secure. A standout feature is the Detachable AI magnetic camera, which can be physically removed when not in use, ensuring complete privacy during and after meetings. Additionally, Honor's Secure BIOS protects your system from unauthorized access, maintaining integrity from the moment you power on. Built-in AI security tools help detect threats and safeguard personal data. For added protection, the laptop includes hardware-level encryption, securing your files and passwords. Together, these features create a strong shield for your digital life, ensuring both privacy and peace of mind during everyday use. The Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon delivers premium features at a competitive price, making it a strong contender in the Ultrabook market. Although prices may vary by region, it offers excellent value for the money with its blend of performance, design, and innovation. Compared to its rivals in the same segment, it stands out with features like the Snapdragon chipset, a stunning OLED display, and AI-powered enhancements. Buyers benefit from a reliable, fast, and stylish laptop without the premium cost of higher-end brands. Additionally, Honor often provides promotional offers or student discounts, further increasing its value. Overall, the MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon proves to be a smart investment for professionals, students, and content creators alike. The Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon impresses with its sleek design, stunning display, and powerful Snapdragon X Elite performance. Its advanced AI features, reliable battery life, and robust connectivity options make it a compelling choice for professionals, students, and creatives alike. If you're looking for a future-ready portable powerhouse, this laptop is worth serious consideration. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next video.